Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the Apple warranty and the activation status via serial number on your iPhone 17 Pro thanks to its IMEI number. Okay, we are on IMEI.info page, the link is right in here on the search bar. And now, first we gotta type the IMEI number of our iPhone. We have two ways how we can check it. As you scroll down in here, we have a quick tutorial how you can do it. The first method is through the phone app. We gotta launch it up and then type *#06 and the hashtag. And now as you take a look, we have our two IMEI numbers. Now simply type it and then click on Check IMEI. As you can see, our iPhone has appeared. We gotta keep scrolling down. In here we have some basic information about the device. We can also read the full device specification if we click the button, but we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks that are completely for free, so you don't gotta pay for anything. And down below, the second option from the top is Apple warranty and activation status via serial number. We gotta select it, and now in the search bar we gotta type our serial number. In my case, it has been saved by my browser. Let me show you where you can check your serial number. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit, go to General, then click on About, and in here we have our serial number. We just gotta type it, and then click on Check Apple warranty and activation status. We gotta wait now. It won't take long. Okay, and we have our result for our serial number. We can keep scrolling down. We can see that it's activated. It has limited warranty, the estimated purchase date, what features are active, and what services. We can see when repairs and service expires. We have the amount of days. Is it registered? Is it replaced by Apple? The loaner device, and we have the date of the report. We can also order the Apple full info and also check the API and bulk access. But when it comes to those two features, if you click on them, you'll be able to see that you may have to pay for them. For example, for Apple full info, you can see that it costs $4. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.